Construction na, wala na. So ayun na nga, bakit ako naglo-loop ngayon? So this is a commemoration of the hobby that I missed. So speaking, noon kasi pagka-enter ko ng world of motovlogging, ito yung bridge. Okay, saglit, ano muna natin, i-conquer muna natin to. Actually, basic trails lang to, pero naawa ko sa motor. Kung trail bike to, sige, kahit overtaken natin ng buong planeta, pero this is your road bike. Yan, so konting ano lang, konting hawig lang. Okay, yan, ginagawa kasi yung bridge dito, guys. It's a good thing also, mag-sacrifice lang tayo ng konting traffic, kasi in a days or months or weeks, mabubuo na to. Okay, yan, konting-konting lang yan. Haba-haba ba to? Ay, hindi, sakto lang siya. Okay, so this is one of the causes of traffic traffic here at the Kennon Road. So be patient lang, guys, pag andito kayo, ha, kasi syempre ano, we do not own the road. Diba? We're done. So hitting the roads again. Ay, wala tayong magagawa. I flashed and everything, bright siya. That's it. And so be it, guys. Continue the long story. So I've been involved with endurances. Yan, na-involve po ako sa mga endurance race. Kung alam nyo po ang endurance race, very well and good. Pero yung mga hindi nakakaalam, sasabihin ko po. So endurance are a motorcycle, okay, a motorcycle, ano, a motorcycle may katropa tayo doon. It's a motorcycle enthusiast related. Sorry, hindi ko so hindi pala race, sorry guys, it's an endurance challenge. Okay, so I started way back last year na mag-prepare, kasi this year is my outbreak year from endurance challenges. Okay, so of course, nainggan nyo tayo, one and only, the birthday boy yesterday. Happy birthday to my brother Daryl Kabigting. Siya po ang nag-encourage sa akin, one of my encouragers, na pagpatuloy ng ating endurance. So he challenged me and everything. So to cut the story short, nainggan nyo po ako, nakisali po tayo sa mga ganitong bagay. And in this year alone, or half month, paano ba? 6 months, yeah, half the year, we have experienced almost 5 endurance, 4 to 5, yeah, hindi ako nagkakamali. And mostly ang endurances kasi sa baba. So we are very lucky to have the guts and glory and the blessing as well na makasali sa ganitong larangan ng motorsiklo. Nakaka-proud. So ayan, bakit ako nag-loop ngayon? Wala, na-miss ko lang. This is what I do. Okay, this is what I do before and will be doing siguro. Pero ngayon kasi crisis, guys, crisis. It's the inflation that hits. That's why medyo kahirapan tayong maka-recover sa anumang estado ng buhay. Okay, so kwentuhan ko kayo hanggang makalusot tayo dito. Hindi, ganyan. So that's my route. So ang endurance challenges, nagro-rota-rota din sila within kilometers, gano'n. Tapos may kinukuhang oras. For example, let's say you shall finish or you should finish the course or the entire route or route, okay? Sheesh. By the given hours, such as 15 hours, ganon, like 500 kilometers in 15 hours, ganon. Or let's say 10 hours, ganon. Ganon katindi ang endurance. Kaya magiging yan, magiging risky and of course magiging enjoy, but you always see it coming na maging safe. So you can pick naman po ang mga endurances You can pick the endurance na mas mahaba ang time limit para you can join and you can have the time to leisure, wander and everything. Pero kung gusto ng challenge pero mahirap, you can join those kind of challenges. Pero I doubt it requires a lot of practice, conditioning, and dami-dami pa. Gastos, gano'n. You need to prepare also. So that's why I'm looping for today is na-miss ko lang kung paano umikot na naman sa bayan-bayan ng pinakamamahal nating Pilipinas. Okay? Yun. Share my contents for today. So, ang ruta ko lang is very short lang. Siguro, this is only around 200 kilometers or less, ganun. Kasi konti lang to Pero hindi to endurance. Parang it's a enjoy loops kasi kakain tayo ng matagal, mag-enjoy the scenery, wala tayong oras na hinahabol. Alam mo yun? Just be you. Just be you. Alright? And maganda rin kung saan tayo dadalhin ng ating motor at ang ating utak, paa, katawan. Doon tayo mag-enjoy. Okay? Kasi it depends on the place, the mood, the energy given, gano'n. Sarap. Pero ba't gano'n? May tumataas ata, may galing sa baba. Yung mga to, kala ko outbound lang. Okay, men in uniform. Tignan yung mga to. You're in turbo. Kayang-kaya yan. 20 kph to maximize vibration. So sabi dito, minimize. So slow down daw guys kasi it will minimize the vibration kasi it's an undergoing breach pa din. Ayan, well and good, well and prepared and everything. Look at this. Look at this. Let's enjoy the ride. Na 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 na. Up, up, up. Mali ate. Overtake natin ng konti. Butas-butas. Oh, little bit of vibration. Yung butas-butas yung kalsada eh. Let's enjoy the ride. Okay. So siguro pwede na nga guys. Medyo mahaba-haba konti bago tayo mag-exit sa Kennon Road. So I'll update you guys pag nasa La Union na tayo siguro, or what will be the plans or what awaits here on my travel. So be safe guys, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay? Woo!